Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I wanted to share some Dollar Tree Halloween and fall finds with you. There are these little cloth pumpkins that are super cute. These 10 candle holders that are super cute, and they're in Halloween colors of black, orange, and purple. Then they have like these candy containers, Pick Your Poison, Death by Candy. They have these tea light candle holders with a little pumpkin. And then they have like a candy skull or sugar skull platter. And they have these that have like a little light in them that you can turn on. They have these signs that are super cute. I really like this sign, and when you think how it's just $1, like everything's $1, that's a super good deal. This one was super fun. So then they have these candles that have purple wax in them, and it's shaped like a skull. They have these 10 buckets that are so cute. I love the Farm Fresh Pumpkins one. Then they have these cups that are sugar skulls. They're super pretty and colorful. They have these mugs for fall, pumpkin spice and everything nice. And fall harvest. And harvest, happy Thanksgiving, fall color blessed, gather together thankful. They have these squishies that are pumpkins, candy corn, and cats that are super cute. Then they have more of the sugar skull, Day of the Dead decorations that are super pretty. And then they have more of the fall signs. They have so many fall signs. It's like the perfect place to get your fall signs. So just $1. Then they have those cute decorative pumpkins. They have these cute skull like cups with a straw in them. This Hello Autumn sign, super pretty. And then they have these little characters that you could just sit maybe on your mantle or fireplace mantle. Then they have these little tea light holders that look like spiders. But I mainly just took pictures today because there were a lot of people in every Dollar Tree I went in, so I didn't want to be filming and a bunch of people get in my way. But I do plan on going back to the Dollar Tree and filming. I just won't be going on a Saturday, a busy Saturday anymore. So I hope you liked seeing what was new at Dollar Tree for Halloween and fall. I'm sure to go back. Subscribe if you're new. And thanks so much for watching.